want to see some love. It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay people, so like I said before, these do come with an app on Android devices, but for iOS devices, what you'll have to do is go inside your Bluetooth settings. Once you have these paired to your device, as you can see right here, I do have the Beats Fit Pro. Click on this eye right here, and then this is where you'll get your additional options. So you can toggle between noise cancellation, off, and transparency mode. You have your press and hold option right here. So if I press and hold, I can choose to have volume control, left earbud, right earbud, volume up, volume down. You can change that to switch vice versa, or I can cut that off and I can just have noise control right here and automatically go through and have noise control to toggle through noise cancellation, transparency mode, and off. So if I went back to here and held it down, you will see that it switches. If I go back into this press and hold, you also have the opportunity, you also have the ability to, let's just say I want my right one to control the noise control and I want my left one to control series. So you have various options what you can do when it comes to this press and hold button right here. You also have automatic ear detection, like I said before, that is with that sensor on the inside of these earbuds, connect to this iPhone automatically. You have spatial audio, you click on that, you can turn that on and off. It'll automatically run through a sample of what spatial audio is, which is definitely a more immersive sound. And like it says right here at the top, it says experience immersive. Turn this down. I can't hear. I can't hear. I'm trying to talk to you. Like I said before, spatial audio is experience immersive three-dimensional sound that follows the movement of your iPhone for supported audio and video. You can turn on spatial audio in Control Center or just touch and hold the volume slider and tap spatial audio. With the volume slider, if you click down and hold that, then you can toggle with spatial audio right here. So that's another way of doing that. And you can toggle between your noise cancellation and transparency mode and off if you just wanted to do it that way. Your microphones right here, it says automatic. You can have it always in the left earbud, always in the right earbud. I will just keep it on automatic. I like them in both earbuds. And then you have your about tab right here. It gives you your model number, your model name, serial number, version, case name, your limited warranty, and you can disconnect and forget this device all through this app right here. And also at the top, you can also change the name of whatever you want it to sound like. So that is how to get to the options on an iOS device. Okay, so for Android devices, there's an actual app that is offered inside of the Google Play Store, and it is this Beats app right here. So if I click on that, and I don't know if these are connected already, so let me go ahead and open this case up, and it says help connect. I do have the Beats Fit Pros right now. I already connected these to this, but like I said before, what you want to do if they don't connect, they don't automatically show up, is to hold down this pairing button right here, and the app will walk you through the whole entire process to pair these. But anyways, inside of this app, what you will see on the top left, these three bars right here, it will bring you back to my beats, add new beats, app settings, explore beats, and help. So my beats, it just shows what I have connected at the time. Add new beats, you can add all of these to this app as well. App settings, inside the app settings, it will go through the Beats version number, location access, Android settings. I'm not going to mess with that right now. Google Fast Pair Service, analytics and privacy, documents. Under documents is legal, licenses, and private policy. Explore Beats, it'll go through, it says class 1 blue chip, blah, blah, blah. Different headphones and different speakers. And then help will take you outside and you can go through this and get some help. And that's pretty much it. So let me go ahead and go back into my beats right here. And as you can see, I do have the all black ones, obviously, and it shows up right there. It gives you your battery status for your right and left. It says Beats Fit Pro connected, and you can toggle between transparency mode, noise cancellation off, right here through the app. And I do believe that you can change the buttons as well, which I'll get to in a little bit. You can rename your Beats Fit Pros right here. I'll keep it what it is. product features, can't remember how the controls work, take a quick tour through the features. And so I'm going to click on this. First, it shows you how to get a good fit right there, and then it shows you the button functions. One tap will play and pause your music. A double tap on either one will have the track go forward. A triple tap will go to the previous track. Press and hold the B to toggle between active noise cancellation and transparency modes. Like I showed you on the iOS device, you can actually customize that long hold as well. And then you have your charge right here. You have your automatic ear detection. You can turn that off and on. And like I said, you can press and hold and you can adjust. Same thing on the iOS device. You can adjust the press and hold. You have volume control. So you could either have it control your volume, or you can either have it control your noise cancellation. So on the noise cancellation, you can have it toggle through everything, or you can just do your voice assistant. So on the right one, I would normally have noise control. On the left one, I would have Siri. So just like on iOS, everything's the same. You have an ear fit test as well. You did have an ear fit test on iOS. I didn't show that, but I will run this ear fit test right here. It says great sound, start with a great fit. Place both earbuds in your ears so they're comfortable and secure, then press continue, and then you can see what it says with audio quality and noise cancellation. So I'm gonna hit continue, and I'm going to see if I have a good fit. Good fit, so I'm good with that. You also have microphone automatic and always on left, always on right. And as you can see, this is pretty much the same exact setup, but just in an app form. Noise cancellation with one earbud, so allows earbuds to be in noise cancellation mode when only one ear is in. So I do like that. So what that means is normally when you have only one earbud in and you don't have this turned on, you won't be able to get noise cancellation. And sometimes that just doesn't make sense because you have noise cancellation going on in one earbud and you don't even have the other earbud in. So you're obviously letting noise in. But you have the option to turn that on. So if you take one earbud out, you can still have noise cancellation in either of the other earbuds. And that's all I got for you people. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification on when I drop my next tech video. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.